Make sentences using we are. We are happy. Subject linking verb adjective. We are friends. Subject linking verb nouns. Noun. We are playing. We are in school. We are eating. We are singing. We are jumping. We are learning. We are running. We are dancing. We are in the classroom. We are reading books. We are painting pictures. We are playing in the park. We are going to school. We are brushing our teeth. We are writing a story. We are drinking milk. We are wearing our uniforms. We are clapping our hands. We are learning new words every day. We are excited to go on a picnic. We are helping our teacher clean the board. We are helping our teacher clean the board. We are enjoying our favorite cartoon. We are making paper boats for fun. We are making paper boats for fun. We are playing hide and seek in the garden. We are playing hide and seek in the garden. We are solving math problems in class. We are practicing good manners. We are listening to a beautiful song. We are sharing our toys with each other. We are proud to be students of this school. We are planting trees to save the environment. We are preparing a dance performance for the annual day. We are excited to celebrate our friend's birthday. We are reading a story about brave soldiers. We are learning how to write neatly. We are making a project on solar energy. We are following the traffic rules while crossing the road. We are enjoying the winter holidays with our family. We are practicing for the school sports competition. We are exploring the wonders of science through experiments. We are determined to score well in our exam. We are learning about different cultures around the world. We are working together to complete our group project. We are improving our handwriting by practicing daily. We are enjoying the field trip to the historical museum. We are trying to reduce plastic use to protect nature. We are making poster on saving water and electricity. We are excited about our upcoming class trip. We are always ready to help those in need. We are always ready to help those in need.